Hi, welcome to another Utah weather discussion. Today is January 12th, 2026. Let's get right into it. So through the week, we're expecting haze and fog through the northern Utah valleys. This looks to worsen as we continue through the week. Nightly frost spots will be possible under this dense fog, especially on bridges and overpasses. A weak system is expected Thursday and Thursday night, mainly just bringing some increased northerly winds, not expecting any precipitation from this event. Dry conditions with persistent valley inversions are expected through this week and likely into next week. Really not seeing any storms anticipated through the foreseeable future. To take a look at what pattern we're in, going to use the satellite loop here. This is just kind of starting from last night, and we see the sun coming up through the morning here. Really just wanted to show that we're seeing this high pressure system kind of centered right off the coast of California and allowing for dry conditions through most of the Intermountain West. We're really not expecting any major shift of weather pattern change until probably about 2 weeks out. So this is really going to allow these dry conditions to last, with valley inversions and haze and fog to be developing and worsening through the next week to 2 weeks. To take a look kind of what we're seeing with the valley inversions, this is an atmospheric sounding that went out last night around 6 p.m. courtesy of the Salt Lake National Weather Service. Really, I just wanted to show we have this surface layer where temperatures, this red line is a graph of temperature as you go up through the atmosphere. So we see as you start to go up from the surface, temperatures cool, which is typical, and then really above that layer we see this big warming mass of air above it. That's what we call a capped inversion, kind of isolating this surface layer and keeping it not mixed out from the rest of the atmosphere. Another thing to note is the wind vectors here over on the right hand side. We see some light and variable winds near the surface, with really kind of the uniform west to northwest winds aloft. So those variable winds, again, just not going to allow anything from the jet stream above us to be mixing into the surface layer. Again, just letting those valley inversions kind of worsen through this week is what we're expecting. And then another interesting thing I wanted to look at this week is the daily mean temperature anomaly, meaning how far away from normal temperatures we've seen from October through December of this year, kind of through the first half of winter. And we see most of the state, we're kind of in the 5 to 7 degrees Fahrenheit above normal range, with some areas in that 7 to 10 degrees range. Really all this just to say we've been seeing quite a warm winter so far, and we will likely continue to see a warm winter through the rest of the year. And if you have any questions or need a forecast update, please feel free to give us a call here, and I will see you next week.